Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today is the day 4 of 100 days on how to build yourself as a brand. So today's day went pretty good. I woke up at around 7 a.m. and I looked into my vision board which is on my phone. Then I did some light stretching on the bed itself and then I made my bed. I went and drank 2 glasses of warm water, swept the room, prayed, and then did my meditation and journaling. So, journaling is literally helping me to calm down all my thoughts, whatever it is I want to share with someone. I can just write it down on my book and I'm good. Like, literally, I feel very good by that. Then this is happening now regularly, like this journaling process. That is because things with my boyfriend is kind of not going well, so you will hear about it in my another video which I'm gonna post in few days. So that is disturbing me. That's why I'm quite journaling right now again. Then I sat for my computer work that was around for an hour, and I started to create journals for you. So this is another decision that I have taken, that journals are helping me so much, and so I want to help you all to write journals so that y'all can keep up with your mental health. Y'all can even do scripting on journals for manifestations. So if you want a video on that how to script, then do let me know in the comment section. I will do that for sure. So I'm creating journals that will be like very pleasant or very creative, so that you can feel not bored just looking at simple pages. It's kind of very interesting patterns and designs for the journals that you can feel motivated and inspired to journal actually. So yeah, that is in the process. It will be available soon, and I will let you know when it will be available for y'all to purchase. So yeah, I'll just suggest that if you haven't started journaling, then do it right now, because it's not like required that you have to purchase a journal. If you can even go on a regular book, but just to make things very kind of like a romanticizing your life, and when you have very pretty books, it feels really nice to write down in it, and usually I like it like that. That's why I thought of creating for you people also. I hope you all will like it. I'll let you know when it will be on the Amazon. Okay, then next thing is, after doing all this, I went to bath and prayed and made a healthy juice for me. Wow. So after a very long time I drank a healthy juice. Actually I used to make it kind of a month before. Then what was happening, that I used to take a very long time for the vegetables or the fruits to cut down, then mixing them, then to filter out the juice and all. It was a very long process, and I used to take 1 hour for that, literally, because I had to make it for 4 people of us now. So I had stopped it after that because it was kind of draining a lot of my time. But now I started and found out another method for filtering out the juice, so that it's very quick and very easy. So I made a healthy juice out of spinach, carrot, beetroot, and added some honey and lemon for the taste, and it was very delicious. Everyone loved it. Then after drinking that, I went for shooting a video for my other platforms, and then I had my lunch and sat for editing the videos and photos. A lot of videos has been piled up for me to edit, even photos. So I'm just thinking how to finish them. But yeah, I started to edit them, and it took a very long time, and I was kind of tired, so I went to spend time with my mom, and she had a lot of to speak actually. So it took around 1.5 hours for us. Our chit chat was going on. Then I came and I started to edit the video. As I said, I had to post it one video by today itself. So I first edited that and then edited other videos and photos. Yet still they are pending. Can you believe that? How in the world, like I'm sitting literal all day but still I'm not able to complete the work. Okay, so it was around 7:11 when I saw the clock after editing, and so I got freshened up, prayed, and then went to have my dinner. And I started to record a voiceover for the other videos that you'll be seeing soon. And then I shooted this video as well and edited it, and I went to sleep around 9:45. So yeah, that was the routine for today. I think pretty much more than yesterday, my today's day was kind of productive. I have included this meditation, journaling, which is of a self-care, having healthy juice and all. So that is kind of self-improvement, but I really want to add workout here, but I don't know why I'm not getting time. So as I said, time management, so I'm trying to complete most of my tasks so that I can make time for that. I don't know how long it is gonna take because a lot of things are pending, as I said, because of my procrastination. So I hope I will do it soon, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye, take care.